All right, so tomorrow morning's the big day. The dogs are getting the Bully Dusted Cow Ears by Canine Warehouse. Now, I've tried some of the other Canine Warehouse products and I've really liked them. We haven't done the Bully Dusted Dog Ears in a long time, so my dogs always get a treat in the morning. So I wanted to record this tonight. Here's this brand new bag. We haven't tried this brand before, but they look very full of Bully Dust Flakes. So I'm sure the dogs will love them. You guys ready to try your brand new treat? Huh? You ready for these? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at all those Bully Flakes. Who wants the first one? You're usually the picky one. There you go. There is a one for Louie. Oh, yeah, buddy. Well, I think we've got a winner here. These are the Bully Dusted Cow Ears by the Canine Warehouse, and my dogs absolutely love them.